Hey friends, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today I'm finally going to do it. I'm finally going to show you guys a flip through of the album, the custom album that Tonya made for me that I purchased from her Etsy shop. I'm finally going to show you guys the inside of her beautiful creation. We used Tonya's album as an inspiration for this album, and this is the Simply Magical portrait version. This one is the Simply Magic. Oh my word. I'm getting tongue-tied. This one is the Simply Magical portrait version meal album that we created. I have a step-by-step playlist. I'll link it up here and down below in the description box, and it'll take you step by step. So if you want to see how we created this beautiful creation, check out that playlist. And also, if you're not familiar, she is also the one that I collabed with for the Simply Magical Little Sister version. And she has an Etsy shop. She has printables. She makes custom journals. She is amazing. I also have a playlist for this one. I will link it up here and down below if you want to make this. This is a quick little like folio type project. And Tonya designed the papers, and she has some of those papers for sale. All of that, it's in that playlist, all of that information. But anyway, I enjoyed working with her so much. I enjoy her work so much, and I just wanted to share a little bit more Tonya with you guys. Sorry, Tonya, so sorry. This has been a long time in the coming, a long time in the making. I keep teasing you guys. I'm going to show you a flip through. Oh, I'm going to show you a flip through. I've lost my mind. And I still haven't done it. So today's the day. Today's the day. Tonya, today is your day. Okay. So this is a very large, beautiful custom journal she made for me. And I did buy it from her. I did like request a custom journal. I just said, you do your thing. And she did. So I love this fabric. I don't know what this is, but I love it. I think she dyed it herself. I love the color of it. It's beautiful. So it's the closure. So I'm just going to set that aside. And I'm going to scooch in, I think. Yeah. So she was inspired by Amity Bloom's teachable course, Artist in Bloom, and she kind of took what she learned from that teachable course and she made this beautiful creation. So I wanted to share it with you. So yeah, she was inspired by that course, and you know, I have one of Amity Bloom's journals as well. I'm becoming quite the collector of amazing journals. I'm not gonna lie. I love them. Okay, so she's got a pretty good layered cover here. So this is actually the cover. So that's kind of what inspired me to make my layered cover that I made in that album that I showed you in the beginning. So this is a vintage envelope, and I'm pretty sure there is something in here. And she uses some of her vintage tape that she made. And there's like a receipt or something, or I don't know what this is. But she uses a lot of authentic vintage papers. Yeah. So this one is, what year is this from? I don't know if she used the same set of papers. This is from 1922. Wow. That was 100 years ago. So I think it's kind of cool. I think it's cool to use authentic vintage. She's done a lot of sewing. She's got trim. She's got layered trim. She's got postage stamps. She's got this might be a newer thing, like a crocheted little flower there. Everything is hinged with fabric on the cover, so it's really cute. And then I told you she did a lot of sewing. I think in this pocket, if I'm not mistaken, yeah. Thank you so much for your purchase. This means the world to me, to have someone I admire and follow on YouTube to purchase a piece of my art. It is a huge compliment. I hope you enjoy your journals. God bless, Tonya. And you're so sweet, Tonya. Of course I enjoy it. I love it. I look at it, enjoy it all the time. Oh, all the time. There's a little thank you handmade by Tonya. That's so cute. What else we got? And there's some vintage stamps there. from the, I can't tell what that says. It's from another country. There is a wax seal, a cute little presentation there. And then here, I think, is a few more little vintage bits. Yeah, these are fun. So when I go to make my my flip-flop journal, I'm going to have to remember all these little bits and pieces that are in other people's creations, so that maybe I could use. I don't know if this was in this pocket. I did have a bunch of everything that came with it in here. I don't know if I took it out or not. There's a vintage postcard. She just has a really good eye for detail. And there's these layered pockets here. I love this lace trim here. And she just tucked a little, and it's layered lace. It's not just one layer. There's like several layers under there. I just, look at that. I mean, that is like 3 or 4 layers of lace. Just so, so creative. There's some lace there. Okay. Her attention to detail, again, is, she speaks to my heart that way. Because I feel like I have a thing about details. Like it's, you know, my thing. Some tickets stuck in there. Well, I haven't got very far. There is a tag in there. This is using some of her printable papers and some washi. And that's the tag that inspired this tag, the one that I did in my album. So this pretty little tag here. I love it. There's a bunch of sewing. There's a bunch of layers. I mean, that's a work of art just right there. I just think it's so pretty. And then she's backed it with some coffee stained paper. And did it go here or does it go in here? I think it goes here, like this. So that's just a little flip pocket there. And then she's got another little fabric lace pocket. I think this might be a printable. Everything's connected with fabric or washi tape, and then that opens up like this. Oh, see, here's the packaging. Ooh, polka dots, and this was wrapped around it. It was wrapped with this polka dot paper, and then this was wrapped around it. So let me scoop that aside. I keep everything. I don't know. Am I weird? Does anybody else do that? Okay. Then this flips out. Look at these. Look at this layer. These layers, I just love them. And there's a little fabric lace pocket here with a couple pieces of ephemera. There is a vintage postcard in here, 1956 it says. But I love that you can see it through the pocket there. Whoops. If I can get it back in there. There we go. And then this flips open. Again, there's another vintage. Oh, that's not a postcard. What's this? Oh, it's from a magazine. Midsummer's Night Dream. Midsummer's Night's Dream. I don't know. I'm having trouble speaking these days, you guys. That flips out. There's another fabric pocket. And then there's a vintage postcard. So cute. And see all of the stitching. Okay, and then this flips, and then we've got another little pocket here with a time card. And does this flip, or is this a tuck or anything? No, it just flips down, and she's sewn it. It's so cute. There's some vintage book page, more, and then so there's like a little journal, right? This is the first journal. So that was all the cover, and then this is the first like journal. Signature here. So coffee stained paper, some very large tags with paper clips. This says, I can't read it. Oh, I can't read it. And a very thick, I can't read it. I keep trying to read it. And a very thick paper clip. And then, whoop, more vintage pages. There's some music note page, music paper, address paper. That's cool. It's like a ledger. like graph paper, but then it has the alphabet up there. There's some washi, there's some fabric trim. It's just really, 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 really pretty. Old book page. There's some of her tape that she makes. I'm pretty sure she made a video, and I'm almost certain she made a video. And if I can find that, I will link it down in the description box. Or if I remember to, anywho's. Coffee stained paper, old book pages. Very, very, very cute. Oh, look, there's some lace trim. I have some of that in my stash. Flip outs. There's a cute little journaling card, paper clip, bulldog clip, and if I'm not mistaken, whoops, this flips open like this, and it's a little bitty little journal, and then it flips out like this, and then there's a pocket here that there's nothing in there right now, but you can put something in there. Is there a pocket here? And there's a pocket here. This is too big for that, but cute, right? And this flips over, and it's the back of the signature, and there's a pocket here with an insert. And then this is the front of the next signature, and it's got a bulldog clip. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, look at there. She's got like a pop-up pocket. So I think there's a pocket here, 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 and there's a pocket here. So cute. And then is there a pocket here? And then there's a pocket here. I love that. That's cute. I don't know if that's where that was, but we got some wallpaper, a wallpaper pocket. And then we've got some more vintage pages. That's pretty. Some more trim. Coffee stained paper, fabric pocket, old book page, coffee stained paper pocket, another card clipped onto the page, music paper, trim, book page, whoops. More of that tape. This flips out. And there's a pocket. So plenty of room here for journaling, plenty of room for memory keeping, plenty of room to add your ephemera. There's another wallpaper pocket. I think it's empty. And then here's the back. And she does this little closure here. Right, so this opens up, this opens up, this opens up, and then this opens up. So lots and lots and lots of space for pictures and journaling and whatnot. And then here's the third signature. There's a cute little pocket there with a layaway tag and a vintage ticket. Uh-oh. And then this flips up. And then here is a pocket. I think it might be empty. Yeah, but I love that. And this opens up like this, and then there's a bunch of, oh no, not a bunch. There is a very fragile piece of newsprint. Ah, look at there. I think I've made it worse. Graphic. Is there more in there? Probably. But isn't that pretty? I love that. I love that font. So yeah. So she tucked that in there. All right, here's some old ledger. Super cute. Purple. Look how pretty those colors are, purple and blues. Yeah, I love this page. Love that page a lot. Some more trim. Whoop. She's got a tag attached here, and this one, this charm says blessed. And there's more of that. Lots and lots of space for tucking stuff in. What do we got here? Was this an envelope or something, or did you make it like this? Or was it a bag? It could have been a bag. I don't know. Super cute. That's the center of the signature. Coffee stain, something or another. Another large tag. And then there's some trim. My favorite color combinations. Vintage ledgers. And then I believe these flip up and down. They're empty pockets, and I believe there's a pocket on the side here. And then that flips back, and then this flips out. That looks like a piece of Tim Holtz something or another. And there's a pocket here. I don't think there's anything in it. But isn't that pretty? And I love these gold paper clips. And that, whoop, that was my fault. I'll have to glue that back together. That was the end of the signature, and then here is the back pocket on the cover with a vintage postcard. Can't go wrong with a vintage postcard. Some little embellishments there with some of that washi tape. Then the back, there's a belly band with a letter. That's so cool. You guys don't know this. Oh, you might have seen the video already where I showed this book to my mom. From my mom's high school days. Her maiden name was Medley. And this letter actually says Medley. She didn't know that when she sent it to me. So I'm careful, this is vintage. And there's a sweet, oh dear Mom. Got your candy today. Thanks a million. Let's see, how does he sign off? Just love, bub, bub, bub. Love, bub. Anyway, I love letters. I mean, I love old mail that has the letters in it. It's so cute. And then this back little flip thingy here has a vintage postcard. Yours truly, Bertha. Then there's a bunch of little like tickets, and there's some stamps. So cute. Wow, look at that color. And then there's another butterfly in here. Very, very cute. And this pretty little flower. And then that's the back. So it's a nice, it's actually quite sturdy. Well, she put some pattern, sewing pattern. And I didn't show you the spine, but there's several layers here of different, it's hard to see, several layers of fabric on here, and then there's her button, there's an applique here. Anyway, just super pretty. So she really did a really great job, you guys. So be sure to go check her out. I've got her channel linked down below. I've got her Etsy link down below. Be sure to check her out. Be sure to subscribe to her channel. Check out her printables, all of that. I know you guys have heard me talk about her before, but I just wanted to show you, finally show you the beautiful creation that I purchased from her a long time ago. Golly, I can't even remember how long ago it's been. It's been a minute. All right, thank you so much, Tonya. I so appreciate it. You did an amazing job. Give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed the video, and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and all of that jazz. And yeah, thanks for joining me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.